Pay you got such some say you promise I bear me pay.
Ta me mot ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habakal nagasni jang ka jingra ke Women International Day. U advisor jang katana social welfare ba polling do ulong bekladan arngut Shillong kibiya pin inya ban pin kesan yala de. Ha ka ba u Shynrang la pin kesan yala de da ka baong. Belakhat ba ya u Shynrang namar ba ka jingmut kedai u bahe ba dei na kata daw ya ulum la juong ulum ba ba dia ka wa la juong ka wa ba. Ka Kynthei pat ka pin kesan yala de da ka baong. Bagi khot kong namar ba ka thau ya ka ban Nyngkong hang ta la bu jingli da ka baong la u bahe ne la ka ban Nyngkong. Walaupun kan mauru syapang kejing internet bat kejing long kerpang jong ka negeri luam khasi uba pol loong bagi riu krau keri India kilawan kai pengat bat kilawan sa'ru hang ni hari luam khasi bat uwe ni kita udai Usubha Chandra Bose ha ka ba lawan da silhet sya Shillong da ke jib jong u bat hadu benta ke jib jong u kadang don ha pa Shillong bat kadang bha nang talapin kan maui ke jinga day hapadeng ke Welsh bat keri India ha ka balasan do dikidak khasi de missionary legri wheels nang ta ke jing sa kan mau da ka play ke Robert Hospital bat ki weipat.
I'm here to celebrate along with you the fact that Shillong is a confluence of influences. It would be difficult to comprehend a town in the backwaters of the Indian subcontinent having such a rich and diverse history. For those of you who are not familiar with Shillong, this is a town that grew into a city, but way back in 1922, after the Welsh missionaries have given us the Roman script in 1841-42, we also were blessed with the first facility to modern education, the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, which was established in 1922. And it is a matter of pride for this remote town, not known to many outside Northeast India. In 1925, a young boy by the name of John Shepherd Barron, originally from Scotland, was born at the Robert Hospital in 1925. Which is why last year, when we had inaugurated the new state-of-the-art State Museum, the inauguration happened on his birthday. This city of ours has also hosted eminent personalities. Pope John Paul II was here in 1986. The Dalai Lama had visited us. Nehru, due to the formative stage of the Indian nationhood, when the Constitution of India was being drafted, and in particular, when the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India was planned and envisaged, he had stayed at the residence of Reverend J.J. M. Nichols-Roy at Kualapati, which is part of my constituency. Dr. C.V. Raman had stayed in Shillong for a few years He kept visiting this city of ours. Subhash Chandra Bose had traveled on a jeep from Sylhet to Shillong, and till today, the jeep he had traveled in is still in good condition at Upper Shillong. So be proud that today, 2026, when MIT University has embarked upon a new journey, adding vitality and color to its activities, I feel this city can only look ahead. Look back with pride, look ahead with expectations. And Kong Yaman, the chairperson of our CWC, has rightly mentioned about why maternity and women's rights are so pivotal to the growth trajectory of our state. Meghalaya is the only state where the two major indigenous communities, the Khasi Jaintias and the Garos, have practiced matrilineal and the matrilineal system for centuries together. Therefore, it is International Women's Day for us here. It's not just a day, it's a part of our DNA. We respect our girls, our mothers, our aunties. When my mother turned 80, I remember inscribing these words to her. You carried me for 9 months in your womb, after which you carried me in your arms. And when I became strong enough, you still carry me in your heart. I think that is something very central to the celebration of Women's Day. On a lighter note, I recall this conversation between a husband and wife. The husband says, "You know why I am called Ba? Because Ba means big. If you have a hill and you turn that into a mountain, it becomes Lomba. When it is just a river, it's Wa. When it's the sea, it becomes Waba. So Ba means big." The wife listened in silence and said, "Are you done?" He said, "Yes. Now let me tell you, why am I called Kong? Kong means first. So who comes first, the big one or the first one?" So friends, I won't prolong my speech. This has been a multi-quizzing course. We've seen various activities, various performances. At the end of it all, it just goes to show that Meghalaya is throbbing. The city of Shillong is throbbing with life, with vitality, and it is people like you with an intellectual bent of mind, academicians, thinkers, who can contribute meaningfully to the growth of this city. And I also look forward to seeing that Shillong, as a confluence of influences, continues to attract people of quality, continues to attract young minds who will one day occupy spaces of influence and importance. We are here to complete our mission. And yes, I'm also happy that Professor Kalbaman agreed to the launch of my translated version of Freedom at today's program. As a member of the political tribe, we always face the music. So how do I stay sane? When I don't face the music, I make sure that I create the music and I listen to music. Thank you. God bless. Commissioner.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.